Frying up some eggs for breakfast, and we're gonna make little Hawaiian roll sandwiches with it. Hello friends, how are you? We are going on a family fun day. We're gonna try Peruvian food here in Minnesota, and then we're gonna take the boys to this claw machine place called Duck. It's in this place called Eagan. It's fun, like discovering new places. So yeah. We tried this new Inca soda. Well, it's new to us. And it's good. It tastes like, Jacob said bazooka gum.
Yeah, bazooka gum.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I said it first.
You guys, we're not arguing about who said it first. We got our food. We're waiting on Liam's burger. This is a paella. And Justin got his lomo saltado. Big boy got his burger. And we got some plantains. This claw machine place is so fun. They also have boba. All of these claw machines. We won stuff too. Look what we won. These are our coins. We won this and this. The owner helped me win this one. He's so nice. He like maneuvered it for me, and then he was like, just press this. And I was like, okay. Oh, so close, Jakey. And then I got that one. That claw machine place was amazing. They have excellent boba. Mine has a creme brulee, horchata, and boba. My baby's got a smoothie drink.
I got passion fruit smoothie with popping lychee boba.
Wow.
Mango with mango popping.
And then Daddy over here got a Dunn Brothers. Let me show you because he's driving. He got a Dunn Brothers because he's not a boba person really.
I love boba, but
yeah,
I like coffee more.
Dunn Brothers is right there, like super close by. And so he had to get a nitro. That's base camp.
Starts tonight.
Justin and the boys are gonna get some Boy Scout gear there. Hi! Oh my gosh, we just came home and guess what? We found 2 deer just eating. Hi, cutie pies! What's that? What are they eating?
Like leaves.
Huh. Don't know what it is they're eating. Oh yeah, leaves. Go ahead. Do your thing. You cutie pies, look at their little faces. Look at that face. Hello friends, we have cookies. Big fat chewy chocolate chip cookies. Jacob was playing a game of chess with Justin while Justin was also tutoring Liam. Sorry boo, I don't know how to do any of that. So yeah, best daddy ever. But he was teaching Liam some advanced math because Liam's taking a test and he wants to do really well in it. I don't understand pre-algebra. I actually failed algebra twice. I had to take summer school twice. Oh yeah, go ahead baby. He just wanted to show you the cookies. So yeah, poor guy had to do both, and then he was playing with Jacob like a game of chess because Jacob has another tournament tomorrow morning all day. So bless his heart because I don't know how to do any of that. Good. Why is you like almost naked? Why you got like a tank top on?
I'm just preparing.
For what?
Just watch a movie or something.
Huh?
Watch a movie with you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, we've been watching this movie. The first one of Daddy's Home with Mark Wahlberg and Will Ferrell. So freaking hilarious. And then the second one is funny too. But we're not finished with the second one, but we can't do movie night even though it's Friday because they're busy, you know? And so we'll do it tomorrow, you guys. But I did bake cookies thinking that we had time. But look at my baby. He stole my seat. My little papas, you're gonna have to move, okay? My little bubbles, my little bubbles. He's so delicious. He's so cute. Look at my baby. Someone's so comfortable. So handsome, baby. He reminds me of a dog. We were playing fetch earlier. You know how dogs lie down like this? Hello, friends. Jacob spent all day with Daddy at a chess tournament.
It was 9 o'clock to 4 p.m.
9 to 4. Oh my gosh. Tell us about it. Tell us.
So, there was 5 games in total, and I won 2 of them, I lost 2 of them, and I tied 1 of them.
Yay!
And there was like an hour and a half wait in like between the games.
Yeah.
It was really long.
Yeah. You had fun?
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you. I love that he loves chess so much.
I beat 1 teenager.
How old was the teenager? Or you just...
I didn't ask him.
Yeah, but it's
He
looked old.
Yeah.
Cool, buddy. Yeah, so we're starting the vlog late. I just was meal prepping. And now we are going to do movie night. We're going to watch Daddy's Home Part 2. It's so good.
With John Cena.
John Cena is in it. And Mark Wahlberg and Will Ferrell. The first one was so hilarious. So these are the movie night snacks. And we got to put it in the container. I mean the little circle thing, and then popcorn. Can you guys help me with that?
Hey guys.
Hi.
6'7".
6'7". That's the prize he won at Duck Entertainment yesterday, the claw machine place. So can you guys get your little tray? It's do you know where I put it? Oh, he knows. So anyways, I spent all day. Hold on, let me help. So this is movie night. Not as much because we have to sleep early tonight because I'm doing the Girls on the Run 5K with Sophia tomorrow, and we gotta leave the house by 7:30, right? 7:30. Yeah. Justin's looking at me like, So yeah, we can't be like staying up too late and eating too much. Not doing too much. We're eating a little demurtsy and having fruitsies. So yeah, can I share what I meal prepped while Justin was gone all day with Jikaroony? I like meal prepping lately. So I made some blueberry muffins because it's a good breakfast option with some like Greek yogurt and some fruit. Good breakfast. Let me go get the rest. We have rotisserie chicken that I like just pulled apart all the chicken. And that's the first thing. This was made last night. They're smashed tacos. They're really good. And then I made the sauce today, extra sauce, because the smashed taco sauce is so good. And then I made a cucumber salad today. I made pesto pasta with homemade pesto. I have a reel on that. I made a bunch of these sweet potato ground meat, impossible meat, with veggies. And then I have a sauce that I make with Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt on top. And then for dinner we had salmon, leftover rice now, and asparagus with Parmesan cheese that I grated with lemon juice. It's really good. So yeah, we're good for a few days on food because I meal prepping. And I still gotta cook throughout the week, but this is a good start. This is nice. The fireplace in our movie night snacks. How buddies?
Peppa.
Halloween candy.
All right, Girls on the Run. You ready, honey?
Here for my Sophie's 5K.
Let's go!
It's so cold, you guys. Look at the way Justin's dressed. Look at how bundled up you guys are.
I was so hot leaving the house, but then I was like, I'm so glad I wore so many layers.
Yeah, I'm bundled up too. It's just I got a t-shirt on top. I did it. I ran the 5K with Sophie, girl. It was fun.
So hot.
How are y'all hot and
Dude,
I'm
it's
not?
cold.
It's so hot.
These kids are being
It's literally
crazy.
starting to snow though.
It is
Yeah,
starting to
there's a
snow.
little
It's
bit of
starting
snow
to
now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, the wind. This little girl I was running with in Sophia's group was like, I think I got frostbite. And I was like, oh shoot. But she didn't. I think she was just really
You guys
cold.
all did it. I'm so proud of you
Yeah.
guys.
Oh my
It was awesome.
goodness. And then they gave us bananas and Johnny Pops, like popsicles afterwards.
So fun.
Oh my gosh.
Sophia said she was motivated for the snacks at the end.
I was hoping they would have caribou like right when we
It was
got
at the
out.
start.
Yeah, it was at the start. But I got me a little thing and my t-shirt on top. All right, I'm getting some caribou. Even
Let's
how
do it.
cold my face is funny. Feel my cheeks. Feel it.
Woo!
You made me
Feel
laugh.
mine.
You made me laugh so hard when you were screaming, I love you. I was like, that's my man.
Yeah.
Hello friends, how are you? I got some TikTok shop orders. I like buying stuff on TikTok shop. It doesn't matter who is selling. I will buy from them because I want them to get the commission. And so, yeah, and I also love buying from my friends like Lizzie and Serene. Like if they're sharing something that's really good, of course I'm going to buy from them. Anyways, I got like a 3-pack of topicals and it came with an eye mask. And the one I'm wearing is this one. It's called pomegranate. Like the color be like so like, I thought it was going to be like sheer. It's really good. My sister put me onto topicals. It's like so moisturizing. I love it. And then it came as a 3-pack, but I bought it as like gifts, like mini gifts to give to people. Like I bought, did I show you I bought like a bunch of these aloe headbands? I wore one to the 5K. It says aloe and you can cover your ears. I bought one for my sister and her bestie Kylie, because Kylie is like my honorary sister too. And because I got a 3-pack, I'm giving one to Gail and Kylie. So I don't know what colors they want, so it's just gonna be random. But they all feel amazing. And I just really like topicals. And I love Summer Friday. And what other ones? Laneige. Like those are like the best for like crusty, dusty lips. Like if you're, oh, and then Ole Henriksen, is that how you say it? Or Ola? That one is good too, but I have one that doesn't have color, but I want one with color, you know? Anyways, yeah, just wanted to share my highlight. It is for sure running a 5K. Like never in my life did I ever think that I would be able to physically run a 5K. It wasn't like full on running. It was a run walk situation. It was a lot more walking than I expected. I just was going at Sophia and her friend's pace. There was one of Sophia's friends. She was running the whole time and I was like getting the kids all like hyped up, like let's go. And so we would like run in bursts and then walk. And then run, and then walk. But once Sophia saw the finish line, she booked it so fast. I had to catch up to her. It was so fun. I loved it. Sophia's parents were there, of course. Bubby and Salva were taking care of baby. Yeah, I loved every second of it. It was freezing. Like, we got an email from Girls on the Run telling us, like, oh, be prepared, get the beanies and the jackets. And I wore a long sleeve under, a long sleeve, a hoodie, like a black hoodie, my puffer jacket, and then a t-shirt that had Girls on the Run. And then I wore that little headband thingy. The headband could have been thicker, but I should have worn like a whole like face covering thing because it was cold. The wind was like the thing that was like attacking my face the most. And then my hands were cold. And so Justin was all like, I have leather gloves and mine were like the knitted kind and like the wind would like get in. And so he's like, I don't care how big this is, you're going to put these on. And I'm like, okay. I felt bad taking his gloves, but he's like, I'm not running. I'm going to just be standing there. So it's fine. So we grabbed some hot hands because we always have hot hands now living in Minnesota. Like we have it in bulk now. I'm actually gonna buy it on Temu. I was looking online. Temu is cheaper, so I think I'm gonna buy an 80-pack on Temu. Anyways, got some hot hands, activated the shiznit out of it, put it inside my gloves and held it like this while I was running. And I was running like this to get the hot hands to heat up my hands. But everyone was struggling with their toes. Everyone was like, my toes feel frozen. My toes were hecka cold too. It's not like we could wear boots. And I didn't want to wear wool socks because I didn't want my feet to sweat all up in the shoe. But let me tell you, my friends, you need the Hoka. The Hoka shoes that I got, the Hoka Clifton 9, because my gosh. Okay, first of all, I do have to say I was clowning on Justin back in the day when he first bought his, because he bought his like 5 years ago or whatever, and I was like, what are those? Like, is that thick? And I'm like, but now I understand, because if you're running, it feels bouncy and so happy. And Sophia and I have the same shoes, and she was like, it was so nice. It felt good running in those shoes. So little kids and adults love it. So I don't know, I just thought I'd share it because I've never experienced such a comfortable running experience. And I have to say, I was like low-key training for a little bit on my treadmill, but nothing beats being outside and running and feeling the fresh air. Even you're freezing your butt off. Something about being outside just felt so much better. So I understand why people run. I understand the runner's high now. I totally get it. Totally get it. I want to be a runner. And it's sad that I discovered a little bit of my love for running in cold weather, because it's not like I can be out running outside when it's cold and snowy. I don't want to trip and fall and hurt something, you know. Now that I'm 40, I hurt something and it's injured forever. Like last year when Justin and I took ski lessons together, I fell on my knee real bad and it took months for that thing to recover. I was telling my trainers, I was like, sorry, my knee's bad. Something about these knees, like when you get 40, you'll know, my friends. And if you are past 40, I get it, my friends. I know we struggling. But you know what helps? Magnesium on the knees, a spray. But I think my favorite was Uncle Butts. It's like a CBD oil that you rub on. I bought it on Amazon back in the day. I'm gonna buy some more because I need that. But anyways, thank you friends so much for watching. I don't share Sophia, so you didn't get to see her. I don't share Jessica's baby boy, so I won't be showing them, but just know I love them and I love my Sophie girl, and I'm so happy and honored that they asked me to run with her. And if they ask me again, I am so down, always. Yeah. Or maybe Jessica will want to do it next year because it's not bad at all. Like, it's a lot easier than I thought. And Jessica, I would say, is more fit than me because we used to do Peloton together. And man, she's so fast and strong, and her score would be way better when we all had like Peloton during the pandemic. Yeah, anyways, friends, see you next time. Bye.